Wow! I just received this item to be reviewed, and the name of the company is Senzer model CS20. When I hooked on my computer, I was amazed of the sound. Just before to open it, let's do the unbox and let's look at the box too at the same time. Here you can see the picture on the front. On the side you see some future. On the behind too some future. And on the side. So the model is CS20 and the brand is Senzer, and I forgot to mention this is Bluetooth at the same time. So let's open it to see what exactly we have inside. The user manual and oh sorry, 1 and 2 speaker. Let's put the box here. Let me show you those. So what exactly that speaker can do? You can have 2 speaker, or else let me show you. You can hook together. Wait, and that's going to be, I'm going to put on the other side. So that's going to be a sound bar for your computer or your cell phone or your tablet. On each speaker you have a speaker of 5 watt each, and this here, let's look at the cable. This is for the sound, a 3.5 mil, and this is going to be for the power, a USB. Okay, so I'm going to put together to show you something. I'm going to show you the link of the soundbar. So that's going to be 16" of the link. Okay, first thing what I did, I bring my computer, I plug it in on my computer. If you want to have a lot of bass with this soundbar, forget it, that's not the one. But if you want some nice music, listen for 5 seconds. I'm not going to put it for a long time, but just listen to the nice music. Here, I hope you enjoy it. If you're looking for a nice soundbar with high pitch and middle pitch, for the price, that's the one to choose. This soundbar here is good for travel. If you need to bring some nice soundbar, that's going to be the one to choose. For personal use, this is good for gaming or listen to your cell phone or anything else. I hope you like this video about this soundbar. If you like it, don't forget to thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want, you can always look another video about me. See you in another one.